Hi everyone. So this is the class number 5 of set theory of BSc third semester mathematics. In this class we can go for the some theorems on set. Already we did the certain results on a set theory. What you did in the set theory, just we can go for the a small recapitulation. Initially we started the set theory by means of a definition of a set. As you know that what is the definition of a set? Set is the collection of well-defined object. Set is the collection of well-defined objects, and thereafter how to represent the set. That can be taken by means of the two methods, and thereafter operations on sets has been did. Namely, the three operations are very important: union, intersection and difference operations on sets. First, you have to be recall what is the union of two sets A and B. The first one, A union B is equal to x belongs to A or x belongs to B. It is written, you can read systematically, it is A union B is the set x belongs to A or x belongs to B. That means all the elements of A and B is called the A union B. A union B, the symbol union can be read as also cup. A cup B is equal to the set x belongs to A or x belongs to B. What are these A and B? The capital letters A and B are the sets. These sets are the subsets of the universal set U. Okay, next to go for the intersection of two sets A intersection B. Here it is, A intersection B is the set, it is x belongs to A and x belongs to B. In the union, you are using the word or. In the intersection, you are using the word and. That means A intersection B means the common elements of A and B. All the elements of A and B is the A union B, and common elements of A and B is the A intersection B, or we can read it as A cap B. Now the difference of two sets, suppose A minus B. How to define the A minus B? A minus B is the set such that x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. A minus B is the set x such that x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. Here it is, one question arises, what do you mean by x does not belongs to B? X does not belongs to B means x, it belongs to B dash. What is B dash? B dash is the complement of B. Students, now we can recall the definition of a complement of a set A. Complement of A dash, it is denoted by A dash, or closure of A bar is also written. That A dash is equal to the set x such that this x belongs to U, such that x does not belongs to A dash and x belongs to A dash. In other words, A dash is written as U minus A. U means universal set. A dash means all the elements of the universal set U other than A. In symbolically, A dash, that complement of A, is equal to the x belongs to U and x does not belongs to A. Next to go for in this main class, to go for the some theorems on set. These theorems consisting all the operations at a time or more than one or two operations at a time. The minus means difference, cap means intersection, cup means union. Now to construct the theorem here, for any two sets A and B, for any two sets A and B, the first one, what it says, A minus B is equal to A intersection B dash. A minus B is equal to A intersection complement of B. Second one, A minus B dash, complement of A minus B is equal to A dash union B. Complement of A minus B is equal to complement of A union B. Next, again to construct the one more result on A minus B, the A minus B, third one, A minus B is equal to A minus of A intersection B. The fourth one, A minus B dash is equal to A dash union A intersection B, or we can say complement of A minus B is complement of A union of A intersection B. The fifth result, A minus of A minus B is A intersection B. So we are consider these are the some theorems on sets. Now to go for the proof of the results one by one, just you have to be already recalled the definition of a difference, intersection and union. With the help of those, we can go for the proof of this result. Okay, let us go for the first one proof. The proof of the first one, I want to prove the A minus B is equal to A intersection B dash. That is A minus B is equal to A cup complement of B or A intersection B dash. Consider the LHS, that is A minus B. What do you mean by A minus B? According to definition, A minus B is equal to the set X belongs to U. A minus B is the total result as a set X. What does this X? X belongs to U, but the condition is X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. A minus B means it is a set X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. We are written this by means of definition. Then in the next step, write X belongs to U as it is such that X belongs to A, okay. And we said in the second sentence X does not belongs to B. What do you mean by X does not belongs to B? It means that X belongs to B dash. Now there is X belongs to A and X belongs to B dash. What do you mean by X belongs to A and X belongs to B dash? That means X belongs to A intersection B dash. So this is the definition of A intersection B dash. I replaced the previous step. What that? X belongs to U such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B dash. It is nothing but the A intersection B dash. So we get the result that A minus B equal to A intersection B dash. You have to be recall just the definition of a difference of a set, intersection of a set. We get the result A minus B equal to A intersection B dash. In the similar way, to go for the second result. In the second result, I want to prove the complement of A minus B. Complement of A minus B is complement of A union B. That is A minus B dash equal to A dash union B. So the first result we already did that A minus B is A intersection B dash. So I want to prove the second result. I will consider the first result by one. What is A minus B? A minus B is A intersection B dash. The LHS part of the required part is A minus B dash. A minus B is already there, A intersection B dash. Taking complement on both the sides, A minus B dash is A intersection B dash whole bracket dash. That means complement of A minus B is equal to complement of A intersection B dash. The bracket dash is in the RHS. Using the De Morgan's law, A intersection B dash is A dash union B dash, where it is A intersection B dash whole dash is A dash union. Intersection changes to union by means of De Morgan's law. The second term B dash whole dash. So the LHS already A minus B dash. Now the RHS part keep A dash as it is, union as it is, B dash of dash, complement of complement B itself is a B. Therefore A minus B dash is equal to A dash union B. So this is the proof of the second result. So third result, what we want to prove? The third result, A minus B. Again, already we did the one result of A minus B is A intersection B dash. Already we did the one result of A minus B is A intersection B dash. Again the one more result, A minus B is the A minus of A intersection B. I want to go for the proof of this result. So I want to prove the A minus B is equal to A minus of A intersection B. Again using the one says that A minus B is A intersection B dash. So the first term is A, second term is A intersection B, to consider itself is a B. So what is A minus B? A minus B is the A intersection B dash. Here it is A minus intersection of A intersection B dash, because A minus B is A intersection B dash. So in the RHS, no changes of A and intersection symbol. What do you mean by A intersection B dash? A intersection B dash by De Morgan's law, it is A dash union B dash. Next, A intersection. So it is A intersection bracket A dash union B dash. So A intersection A dash, keep union as it is, A intersection B dash. You have to explain this one by means of a distributive law. The distributive law, A intersection has been distributed to A dash and union B dash. It becomes A intersection A dash union A intersection B dash. What do you mean by A intersection A dash? A intersection A dash, again from 1 we can read it as A minus A. Union keep as it is. A intersection B dash is written as A minus B. Now A minus A is empty. A minus A is empty. Then keep union as it is. Now A minus B as it is. Empty union A minus B is nothing but A minus B. So we did the result. A minus of A intersection B is A minus B, or this A minus B is written as A minus of A intersection B. Similarly, to go for the fourth result. The fourth result is complement of. So go for the fourth result, that is complement of A minus B is complement of A union A intersection B. It is a very simple proof by means of the above results. From 3, the 3 we can recall itself. A minus B is A minus of A intersection B. Taking complement on both the side, A minus B dash is A minus of A intersection B, its complement. Again using the result 2, A minus B dash is A dash union B. Like that, this becomes A dash of union of A intersection B. So this complete the proof of the fourth result. The fifth result, we can try ourselves. What does the fifth result? A minus of A minus B is A intersection B. With the help of the previous results, you try to prove this one. A minus of A minus B is equal to A intersection B. So there is no pain in getting the proof of all these 5 results. But your work is that you should write these theorems by your hand and read carefully. Whenever the doubts will come, you have to watch out the videos again and again. If further it is not clear, means contact me through the mobile, WhatsApp, or by call. Thanking you.